Hi, it's John from the MeiReview team. Welcome to AIVideoSuite Review. Before we start, don't forget to check out my review article in the description box for full product details, how it works, the pricing, and discounts. Especially, we prepare a lot of handy bonuses to help you utilize your marketing efforts. Thank you. Creating video marketing materials can be a daunting task for many individuals and businesses. It involves multiple complex steps, such as brainstorming a compelling story or message, filming and editing, ensuring the video looks appealing, and keeping up with the latest trends to maintain audience interest. But what if I told you there's a solution to all these challenges? Introducing AIVideoSuite, a groundbreaking tool that simplifies and enhances video marketing. With the power of AI, it assists in video creation and editing, enabling businesses to produce videos that truly engage and resonate with their audience. Discover this tool with me. I believe that exploring it further is undoubtedly worth your time. First of all, what is AIVideoSuite? AIVideoSuite is a brand new GPT-4-powered combo, including an iVideo creator and a voiceover creator app that lets you revolutionize your profits while saving thousands of dollars in monthly subscriptions. You also get done-for-you ChatGPT for prompts to create scripts for whiteboard videos, sales videos, business ads videos, squeeze page videos, explainer, tutorial videos, product promotion videos, informational videos. The AIVox script generator for creating voiceover scripts and video voiceovers in seconds. It provides over 100 vertical video marketing templates in 11 niches. You can create vertical videos for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Next, let's dive into how it works in action. Wait, remember to check out my review article which explains the product features. The step-by-step using experience. The pricing and upgrade details. And the bonuses that we offer. I hope that in this long list of bonuses, you can find something helpful for your business. Now, please pay attention to a thorough walkthrough video by the vendor.
When you log into the AIVideoSuite dashboard, you will find the navigation on the left. The main attraction, of course, that we want to take a look at today is the AI Video Maker. There are 8 different types of videos that you can create with AIVideoSuite. We're going to take a look at all 8 of those in this demonstration, the first 7 of which are under the AI Whiteboard Video category, and the 8th is AI Short Video. So first, let's click on AI Whiteboard Video. The first type of video that we're going to take a look at is a sales video. And so we're going to title this one based on the name of a product, the Web Traffic Crash Course. You can create sales videos for any type of product, whether that be digital or physical. We're going to select a font. Personally, I like to stick with the plain ones, but you can get as fancy as you want. A font size and color. For this first demonstration, I'm going to stick with the classic black text on a white background. It's going to be the classic whiteboard sales video. And I'm going to select Full HD. As you can see, there are many different video resolutions to choose from. I'm going to keep my text in the middle of the video, so that will be center. I will choose some background music. Since this is a sales video, I think something like a positive direction would be appropriate. We can preview the music. And because we're going to have a voiceover on this, I'm going to go with the quietest background music volume. You can then preview any voice.
Hi, I can read any text you type here.
I'm going to go with Davis for this one. You can then type your own text, but we're going to use the AI feature, which of course is one of the main attractions here. So we'll click Sales Video. Product name is the Web Traffic Crash Course. Product type is going to be a video course. So that could be anything from ebook to software, to a piece of clothing, to a computer, to an automobile, a consulting service, anything that you're selling. And one short sentence about the product and click submit. It takes just a few moments to write your script. You can regenerate it if you don't like it. You can copy it to your clipboard to save it for later, and you can click the down arrow to use it in your video. If there's anything you want to fix or change in the script, you can certainly do that. And once you're ready, just click Create Video. Once it renders, you'll be taken to the File Manager, where you can preview your video, download the MP4 file, edit the video, recreate it as a whiteboard video, which allows you to edit any of the settings, or delete it. Let's go ahead and preview it now.
Are you struggling to get web traffic to your website? Introducing the Web Traffic Crash Course, a comprehensive video course designed to skyrocket your website's traffic.
Perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. Now, if there were anything that I wanted to change about that video, I could simply click to edit it as a whiteboard video, and I can tweak any of those settings or the script. For example, maybe if I didn't like Davis's voice for that one, I could select a different voice. All right, let's move on. Going back to the AI Video Maker, this one will be a business ad video. This feature is great because it allows you to create business ads for any business using just their business name and their website address. My wife and I happen to own an offline business. It's a dance studio, so let's create a video ad for that dance studio. I figure if it's good enough to use on my own business, it'll definitely be good enough to use for your clients. Again, we'll select a font size, let's say 60 this time. And for the colors, you may want to look at the website of your client. You can see that we use some yellows and we use this sort of blue color, so maybe we'll use that. We want colors that would look good on the client's website. So I think I would stick with a white background and then maybe use that sort of blue color for the text. We'll go with full 1080p. This time I'm going to align the text on the left because I want to leave room for some additional content on the right side of the video. Alternately, we could put the text on the top, bottom, or right. For the background music, I'm going to choose one called Dreamy Skies because I think that's a good sound for our dance studio. This time I'm going to go with 0.1 for the volume, and I think Sarah will be a good voice for the dance studio. Then we'll click AI Content, Business Ad Video. Now just watch how easy this is. Put in the business name, business type, which is a dance studio, grab the website address, and click Get. And by the way, there's not a lot of content on our homepage, not a lot of text anyway, but I believe the AI will be good enough to create this. Click Submit. That just took a few seconds, and we'll click the down arrow. Again, you may want to check your script. I've never seen this happen before, but it actually had nothing in slide 1, so I'll just bump that text up to slide 1 and then delete that one, and we're good to go. And then once it looks good, click Create Video. And once that's rendered, we can then click to view the video.
Welcome to Lighthouse Dance, Northern Colorado's premier dance studio.
That's right, it is.
Get ready for our highly anticipated 2023 recital. Don't miss out on an evening of spectacular performances.
All right. Well, that's what the homepage talks about, so that is relevant. Let's go ahead and add something to this. I'm going to click the Edit Video button, and I want to add some additional content to this video. There are quite a few things we can do here in this editor. Just to give you a quick overview, we can create custom thumbnails, we can add text to the video, we can reverse the video, rotate the video, change the speed, we can trim it, we can upload an image to overlay, we can upload an image to fade in as an overlay, we can search for an image as an overlay, we can overlay an existing video from our video library, or we can change the background audio and voiceover. So let's search for an image. I'm going to search for ballet, and as you can see, what I want to do is put something in this white space right here. I like that this one here is a young dancer, which is a big part of our customer base. Once you click the image, you can go ahead and drag it into place and then drag the bottom edge to resize it. Once you have it where you want it, go ahead and double click it to set the placement. We can then set the fade in time, And let's say I want this to display for the first 10 seconds. I would drag the slider to 10 seconds, click the fade out time, and then click to process it. Okay, it says video generated successfully. And now if we click play, we'll see the image.
Welcome to Lighthouse Dance, Northern Colorado's premier dance studio. Get ready for our highly anticipated...
So there's this image that we just added, and we can repeat that process as many times as we want to add additional content to this video. It's a really great feature because we can choose exactly what content we want to include in these videos. Now suppose I have some images from my dance studio that I want to include in this video. I can also upload those to be used in this video. Alright, moving on to the next type of video, we'll click on whiteboard video again. And this one is going to be a product promo video. Again, the product type could be anything ranging from digital to physical or a service. This is also great for affiliate promotions. So for this example, I'm just going to grab a product from Amazon. We'll use this neoprene workout dumbbell as the example. We'll select a font, the font size, and maybe I will pick some colors that would match that neoprene dumbbell. So it'd be kind of like a white and blue color scheme. We'll go with full HD. I'm going to put my text on the left again so I've got room for a picture of that dumbbell. Background music, I found one called Horizon. I'm going to go with 0.1 again. And for the voice, I'm going to choose Guy or Guy in case he's French. Click AI Content, Product Promo Video. Paste that product name that I got off of Amazon. Product type is simply workout dumbbell. And then for the product info, I'm literally just going to copy and paste the little product description here right off of Amazon just to show you how easy this can be. Paste it right there and click submit. And I'm sure the AI did a good job writing that script, so I'm going to click the down arrow. Again, not a bad idea just to scan through it and see if there's anything that you want to tweak, but just at first glance this all looks good, so I'm going to click create video. Alright, that was created. Let's go ahead and preview it.
Introducing the neoprene workout dumbbell, your ultimate fitness companion.
Sounds good. Let's click on edit. And this time I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to jump back over to Amazon. I'm going to right click this image. I'm going to save the image to my downloads folder. Go back over to the editor. And I've got two options. I could either upload it for a constant overlay, which means it would appear on the entire video, or I could upload it for a fade in, fade out. So if I was going to, for example, go and grab all these images off Amazon and use all of them, I would want to do the fade in, fade out, because then I could just repeat the process and add all those images, kind of like a slideshow. To keep this quick, I'm just going to do a constant overlay. So just one image for now. Grab it from my downloads folder. And then we're going to drag it into position. Simple as that. Double click on it to put it in position and click to process it. And that's done. Let's take a look at it.
Introducing the neoprene workout dumbbell, your ultimate fitness companion for exercise and strength training.
Alright, so as you can see, it now has the picture right from Amazon in the video. So you can see right there in a matter of a minute or two, you can literally create a video for any affiliate promotion, not to mention your own products or your clients' products. Let's move on to the next video type. Again, AI whiteboard video. This one's going to be an informational video. So I thought of a topic that I don't really know anything about, but I thought it would be a great demonstration, traveling in Italy with children. We'll select a font family, go with a size 60 on that, and let's see what colors are Italian. I guess it's sort of red, green, and white. So maybe white text on a green background. I'm going to stick with full HD. I think I will put the text on the left again, so I've got room for some content on the right. Now, if you have your own background music, you know, maybe if I had some Italian music to use for this ad, that would be perfect. You can actually upload that. Otherwise, I'm just going to pick one from here. I think cool lo-fi is nice and chill. You know, the target audience for this video would be parents with children, especially young children, and so something nice and chill would probably be appealing to them. I'm going to select aria for my voice. Oh, almost forgot the background music volume. I'll go with a nice quiet 0.5. And then we're going to create our script. Click informational video. And it is literally as simple as typing in any topic and just clicking submit. I'm going to go ahead and click the down arrow, scroll through this real quick and make sure I don't see anything that sticks out. Yeah, it all looks great, so I'm going to go ahead and click create video. Okay, we can then click to preview the video.
Welcome to our exciting guide on traveling in Italy with children. Italy offers a magical experience for the whole family with...
So you can see that sounds great, it looks great, and I left plenty of space over here to add content to this video. And in fact, I'm going to do that in a different step in a few minutes. So that's 4 video types down. We've got 4 to go. Let's go back to the AI Whiteboard Video Maker. The next one will be a squeeze page video. And again, the topic could be anything. I happen to have a squeeze page here that I created a while back. It's for an easy breathing exercise for anxiety and stress relief. And I just have an image here. I think it'd be great to have a video here instead of this simple cover image. I think that would boost the conversions. So let's create a video for it. And I think on this page, just a plain white background would look good, probably with even just plain black text. I'll go with full HD because I can always resize that video. Most likely I would host it on a place like either YouTube or Vimeo, and then I can just embed the size that I need. Again, I'm going to put the text on the left because then I have room for that cover image to the right of the text. Let's see, I need some background music that's a little more relaxing. Again, you can preview any and all of them. There's one down here called Thoughtful that I think will work well. We'll go with very quiet, 0.05. I'm going to go with Jenny Multilingual for the voice. And then we need to create our script. This one is squeeze page video. Here's my freebie name. The product type is an MP3 file. But again, that could be anything like an ebook, a video, whatever you're giving away. My audience is simply anyone who's experiencing stress and anxiety. Let's go ahead and click submit. All right, looks good. Let's click the down arrow. And again, scrolling through to just see if there's anything I want to tweak. Really, the AI has been doing such a good job for me lately. I haven't been changing much at all. And again, I'm just going to click create video. All right, let's go ahead and preview it.
Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and anxious?
Oh, you know what? It looks like I accidentally selected the wrong font. That's not the font I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and click the whiteboard editor. I think I accidentally just skipped that step. I want something nice and simple. And while I'm at it, I wasn't super thrilled with that very quick preview of Jenny's voice. Let's try Amber. Make sure we've got our music selected. I did notice when you go to recreate a whiteboard video, you have to select the music again, which is obviously not a big deal. And click create. And I'm actually glad that you're getting to see a little of trial and error in this to see how easy we made it for you to edit and change things that you want to change. Let's preview that.
Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and anxious? Introducing the easy breathing exercise for anxiety and stress relief, your key to finding peace.
That sounds great. Her voice sounds perfect for that, just so nice and peaceful. The music sounds great. And let's click to edit now using the editor so I can add my cover image in there. So again, I'm just going to do a constant overlay for this, although we could add as many images as we wanted to. It's kind of huge, but we can resize it just by clicking and dragging. And then drag it into place. Size it just how we want it. Double click it to place it. And then click to process. Video generated successfully. And here it is.
Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and anxious? Introducing the easy breathing exercise for anxiety.
Look at how nice that looks. That'll be perfect on my squeeze page. I really think that's going to increase the conversions to have that video rather than just a cover image. Moving on to the next video type, let's go back to the AI whiteboard video. This one's going to be an explainer or tutorial video. It can do either explainers or tutorials. Basically, that's the same thing. And I tried thinking of a topic that a lot of people don't know how to do these days. And the one that just kind of came to my mind was how to put sheets on a bed. kind of an old school thing, right? To me, it seems like something that people would be Googling, and so it would be a good potential traffic magnet or something to get ranked on a site like YouTube or TikTok. So we'll go ahead and choose a font. I'm going to go with a larger font this time. I think I'm just going to go with just text on the page, no pictures. What would be good for a bedsheet tutorial? Maybe something like a light blue on a dark gray. Go with full HD. We'll keep it centered. And for music, you know, since this is kind of a retro topic, let's go with the retro soundtrack. It's actually a pretty cool track, by the way. I'm going to make it 0.1. And the voice, let's go with someone different. How about Monica? We can always change it if we don't like it. Click the AI content button, explainer tutorial video. And once again, it's literally as simple as putting in the topic. And I found for this one, if you just start it with the words how to, that's all you got to do. How to, and then fill in the blank with anything, and the AI can come up with a tutorial for it. So let's go ahead and click submit. Looks good. I think they came up with about a 10-step process. We'll click the down arrow. All right, and this time I think I might actually do just a little bit of tweaking. And again, I think it's good that you can see this in the demo to see just how easy we've made this for you. So you can see I'm taking out the word title and just making it so it's going to be more clear and better to be read as a voiceover. So step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7. And as I'm doing this, I'm thinking, you know, maybe I need to actually add a period after each of these steps just to make sure the voiceover sounds correct. So it's actually 9 steps, followed by a little conclusion. Make sure I've got these periods here. Perfect. Go ahead and click create video. So, you know, that was well worth taking, what, 15, 20 seconds to make a couple of tweaks, because I think it's going to probably turn out great on the first try. And let's see if it did turn out on its first try. We're going to click preview.
Welcome to our tutorial on how to put sheets on a bed. Follow these simple steps to ensure a snug and tidy fit.
All right, I like that retro music too. So yeah, that turned out great. Let's move on to the next video type. Again, back to AI whiteboard video. And this time we're going to turn our attention to these other tabs here at the top of the page. So we've been focused on the content tab. We also have 3 others: search, import, and upload. These 3 other tabs are used for creating slideshow videos. We can simply search for stock images. We can import them from any URL on the web, or we can upload images from our own computer. So if you do recall, we had that one video about traveling with children in Italy, and I want some additional pictures to go along with that video. So let's say if I had some pictures of Italy on my computer, I could upload those. If I wanted to find some on the web, I could do that. I could jump over to Google Images and I could search for Italy. Then I could go to Tools, Usage Rights, Creative Commons licenses, and grab the URLs for any of these. All right, I copied a few of those. You can just paste them here, click Load Images, and it'll instantly grab those images for you that you can create into a video. The other extremely easy method is to use the search feature, which will search for stock images. So let's say 20 images. Keyword is just going to be Italy. Search. It found them instantly. And then we can see if there's any that we don't want to use, we could omit those. I think all of these look pretty good. They all look like Italy. But let's say I didn't want this one here with the pasta and the tomato. I could click the little trash can and it disappears. And then we can make the rest of them into a video. We'll call this Italy Slides. I'll make it full HD. Choose how long you want each of those images to appear. So let's say if you had 20 images and each of them appeared for 3 seconds, that would be 1 minute. So for now, let's just say 5 seconds. You can add a background track if you want to, but in this case, all I want is a slideshow. And I'll show you why in a moment. Let's click Process. And then I'll click to Preview. And just like you would expect, it's a simple slideshow, again with no audio because we didn't choose any audio in this case. Now, we could have chosen an audio track and made this into a video that could stand on its own and be used for a number of different things. But in this case, I had something else in mind. I'm going to go back down to that Traveling in Italy video and click the Edit button. And then I'm going to click Overlay Existing Video from My Videos. And I'm going to select the one called Italy Slides. And then I'm going to drag it into place. And I'm going to drag it to size. And we can actually press play.
Rich history, stunning landscapes.
While we're previewing it to make sure that this video is sort of out of the way of the text on the screen. So I think this placement looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and double click it to place it and click process. Now what we just did was essentially add 19 or 20 images all at once rather than having to add them one at a time like I was showing you using one of our other editing features. So creating these little slideshow videos can be a huge shortcut. And video generated successfully. And there it is. We'll go ahead and click play.
Welcome to our exciting guide on traveling in Italy with children. Italy offers a magical experience for the whole family with its rich history, stunning landscapes, and
so there we go. As you can see, we added a bunch of pictures to this video. So now this video is ready to go. Last but not least, let's take a look at the 8th type of video, which is the short video. As you can see, that has a category of its own under the AI Video Maker navigation. And that's because it's really a whole category in and of itself. And you have many categories to choose from, ranging from real estate to automobiles to education to hotels. I'm going to go ahead and select fitness for this demo. And we can choose any template. Alright, I'm not a big fan of that particular music, so we'll probably swap that out. And this is a great tool for creating ads, short ads for your own business or for any of your clients. And I'm really thinking about clients on this one because these are the type of videos that clients often will pay for because they need just content for their social media and all kinds of stuff like that. I did a Google search for local gyms, and the first one that came up was one called the Body Gym, Fort Collins. So I'm just going to make a little video ad for them. I think they could use it. Obviously, they're doing something right since they're ranked at the top of Google, but I do think they could use a little help with some of their web content. So let's create a little video for them. Now, if your client gave you a logo, it's very easy to insert that. I don't actually see a logo on here. This is just one big slide. So in most cases, you'll probably have a logo that you could insert right here. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just click delete on that logo, and then I'll just add some text using the text tool. So the Body Gym Fort Collins. All right, and then we can format that text. I think white will look good. We can format the size. We can change the alignment, whatever we want to do on that. And then we can also move it around quite easily. And we can change any other element on this page. We can add additional things. We can change the text. Let's grab their website address while we're at it. I'm going to go ahead and just copy that. Come down here to, wrong tool. Select the arrow tool. Come down here to their website address. And just do a Control-V to paste in their website address. Click the check mark to save the changes. Alright, I still need to change that music, but for now I'm going to go ahead and click Save to My Videos because I want to show you another advanced strategy, or a little hack, if you will. So here's our video, and we could be done right there. You know, if you are creating videos for clients, and especially if you're not charging very much, you might want to just do it as quickly and easily as possible, and you could be done just like that in a few seconds. But I'm going to go the extra mile here and show you a little hack to take it to the next level. We're going to use the AI Vox generator to create a voiceover, but first, the hack that I'm talking about is to use the AI Whiteboard Video Maker to generate a script. I'm going to click AI Content, go to Business Ad Video, and the business name is the Body Gym Fort Collins. Business type is just going to be gym, and I'm just going to grab their website address, paste it in there, and click Get. And submit. Now, we're not actually going to create a whiteboard video, so what I'm going to do is click this icon to copy the content to my clipboard. Then I'm going to exit out of this, go over to the Vox generator, which means voiceover generator. And before I do anything else, I'm going to do a Control-V to copy that script into the box. And then I'm going to clean it up. And since this is a short, we probably don't need this entire script. Short videos start at 15 seconds and you can go as long as 90 seconds. So I'm only looking for a minute or less right here. So we'll just keep some of the best points. I mean, I think these 4 little paragraphs probably enough. Maybe with a little call to action at the end. That looks good. For the voice, I think I'll choose Davis because he's got a very manly voice that I think would be good for this Jim. We'll call this Jim Vox and click to generate it. That literally just took a few seconds. Let's click to preview it.
Welcome to the Body Gym Fort Collins. Your path to a healthier, fitter lifestyle.
I like it. Now we could use it just like that, or we could add some music. So let's add some music. I'm going to click the little music icon here. We'll call this Gym with Music. And I'm going to select one called Positive Experience. The volume will go with 0.1. I'm going to add this voiceover track, and we'll combine the two. So let's preview what that sounds like.
Welcome to the Body Gym Fort Collins. Your path to a healthier, fitter lifestyle starts here. Get ready to experience our state of...
I think that sounds great. I could maybe go a little louder on that music, but I think the levels actually sound pretty professional, so we'll keep it at that. Now we're going to go back to AI Video Maker, AI Short Video, and at the top I'm going to click the My Template tab. Then from the drop down I'm going to select Fitness, and here's my template for the Body Gym Fort Collins, so I can go in and edit it. Now from our Tools menu, I'm going to select Add Vox with Music. I'm going to select the Gym with Music that we just created, and then click the check mark.
Welcome to the Body Gym Fort Collins.
There we go. And just
Your
like
path
that,
to a healthier, fitter lifestyle.
We've got a complete short video for the Body Gym Fort Collins. It looks great, it sounds great, and you can get paid to create videos just like that for clients. Last but not least, we'll click Save to My Videos. You can then download the file to upload or to deliver to your client. You'll find additional features and bonuses here in the dashboard, all depending on which option you choose when you join.
Wow, such an impressive piece of software. I am pretty sure that you already understand the ins and outs of its operation. In all honesty, AIVideoSuite streamlines your video production process, making it easier than ever to produce engaging, high-quality videos with professional voiceovers and captivating graphics while generating fresh content ideas to keep your audience engaged. Don't hesitate and click the link in the description and see it for yourself.